Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Well, you're looking at a live trade of Signet. The market's not open yet. It's going to open in a few seconds here. And the Signet trade, the stock has actually come lower than my actual buy price that I put out to members this morning of the Lazy Gap Trader monthly subscription, which gets my gap trades each and every day. It's about to open here. It's opening below, but I've kept my order in because I'm willing to take the risk. Traders that have taken my course know what to do and what not to do with this trade. But I'm willing to take additional risk just from years of experience with a stock with a spread this wide. And usually will overshoot a little bit to the downside. I think this level is still okay, so I'm willing to take some added risk. That's an individual trader decision, and so far so good. I'm going to sell half the position at $83. I've read this book before, and I think there's more upside in this stock. I think it was just overcooked on the downside in the pre-market, and therefore, I'm thinking, yep, there you go. So I'm at a half the position, and I'm actually going to hold the other half to see if we can get some more upside throughout the day. But I just wanted to show you, hopefully it was a good trade, and it turned out to be a good trade. But here's the point. The morning gap trades, this was a morning gap trade. This is 81.75 on Signet, was a level I gave out to subscribers. Here it comes back down. I don't think... I'm not going to stick around. I have a break-even stop, so if we see the stock below 81.75, I'm going to be out, and I've still made money on the first half, so I still think there's more upside. But the point is, on these morning gap trades, we're watching stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open, and the folks that have taken my course know how to identify the level where a stock will A, be drawn to, and B, typically have a price reaction from. And that's what you're seeing in Signet. Unfortunately, it dropped below the buy price, so a lot of traders hopefully didn't take this trade. It was a higher risk trade than the norm. The odds change if we open up below the level that I specify in the morning. That's the giveaway. That's basically part of the rule book. And that's why I don't suggest traders take a trade like this. But I was willing to take the risk just as from years of experience. And I was just willing to take my own risk. That's an individual trader decision. So it paid off. Sometimes it doesn't. And that's the risk of trading. I'm risking my own capital, and therefore I make my own decisions, of course. And so does everybody else. You have to decide what risk tolerance you're willing to take as an individual trader, and it's also based on your own personal situation. So anyway, that's the deal. You guys can watch this later in the day, see if it went higher or not. I've got half a position looking for higher prices, sold half at 83, nice $1.25 gain in just really seconds after the open. So I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come over to check out the course, folks.